Welcome! Today, we'll empower you with the steps to change your country or region on your Microsoft account. First, sign into your Microsoft account using your email and password. Once signed in, navigate to your info. This is where you'll find your account details. Look for country/region and click on the option to change it. Select your new country or region from the drop-down list. Ensure it matches your current location. Finally, save your changes. Your Microsoft services will now align with your new country or region. In case of errors, double-check your billing information as it might affect your settings. Always log out after making changes, ensuring your account stays secure. For more help, visit Microsoft's support page where detailed guides await. And that's it. You're now all set to enjoy personalized content suited to your location. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time, and happy navigating!